To disassemble your machine, begin by removing the dispenser door. Unscrew the 4 dispenser door head screws while holding the door in place. Then, carefully remove the dispenser door from the freezing cylinder. Next, remove the handle pin from the front-facing side of the dispenser door. This will allow the handles to be easily removed. Take the handle pin and use it to gently loosen the baffle rods. Then unscrew the baffle rods and remove them from the dispenser door completely. Next, slide off both door bearings and dispenser door O-rings from the back side of the dispenser door. And remove the 3 draw valves by applying pressure from the underside of the dispenser door. Next, slide out both beaters from the freezing cylinder. Carefully remove both scraper blades from the beater. Use caution when removing scraper blades because they can be sharp. Using a towel or sponge for this step can prevent injury. Next, remove the shaft seal from the end of the beater. Repeat this process for the second beater. Lastly, remove the drip tray and take all disassembled parts to the sink for proper washing, rinsing, and sanitizing.